We are making walnut red date rice milk today. Walnut red date rice milk is a traditional Chinese medicine diet, and its main ingredients include rice milk, walnuts, and red dates. It has the functions of nourishing and maintaining health, regulating body functions, and relieving fatigue. It is a traditional Chinese medicine diet that is very suitable for daily health care. The benefits of walnuts. Walnuts are commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine as a nourishing ingredient. They have the following medicinal benefits. Walnuts are rich in iron, zinc, protein, fat, vitamin, and other nutrients, and can nourish the blood and yin. They are beneficial for symptoms such as anemia and blood deficiency. Walnut can enhance brain functions. Walnuts are rich in unsaturated fatty acid, vitamin E, and other components that can improve memory and prevent senile dementia. It can promote intestinal health. Walnuts are high in dietary fiber and fatty acid that can promote bowel movement, increase stool volume, and prevent digestive system disorder such as constipation. Walnut can tonify kidney yang. It has the effect of tonifying kidney yang and can enhance male sexual function. They are helpful in improving symptoms such as impotence and premature ejaculation. The benefits of red dates. Red dates are commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine as a nourishing ingredient. They have the following medicinal benefits. Red dates are rich in iron, sugars, vitamin, and other nutrients that can nourish the blood and qi. They are beneficial for symptoms such as anemia and qi deficiency. Red dates contain a certain amount of magnesium, which can help the body relax and improve sleep quality. They are helpful in relieving symptoms such as insomnia and anxiety. Red dates are rich in sugars and pectin that can stimulate gastrointestinal mobility, promote digestion and absorption, and relieve symptoms such as weak spleen and stomach and poor appetite. It's rich in polysaccharide, vitamins, and other components that can regulate immune function, enhance the body's resistance, and prevent symptoms such as low immunity and frequent colds. Rice milk is a typical Chinese food that has the following benefits. It can invigorate the vital energy and nourishing qi. Rice milk is rich in carbohydrate, protein, and other nutrients that can replenish the body's nutritional needs and invigorate the vital energy and qi. They are beneficial for symptoms such as qi deficiency. Rice milk has the mild nature and can moisten dryness and relieve thirst, helping the body to replenish water and relieve symptoms such as thirst and constipation. Rice milk has the effect of clearing heat and detoxifying, and can release symptoms such as heat toxin, sore, and oral ulcer. Rice milk is rich in dietary fiber that can promote digestion and absorption, and relieve symptoms such as gastrointestinal discomfort and indigestion. To make the walnut red date rice milk, we need rice, walnut, and red dates with 5 to 2 to 1 in weight proportion. We also need corresponding amount of water. Soak the rice for 2 hours. Get rid of the cores of the red dates. Put everything in the blender and blend into rice milk. Boil the milk in medium heat, then simmer with low heat for 15 minutes. Add sugar to taste at the end.